Welcome back, design enthusiasts. This is Alvin from Alvinsa Studio, and today we have something truly extraordinary lined up for you. Get ready to embark on a visual journey into the future of sustainable living as we dive into the mesmerizing world of shipping container homes Design 23 in pictures. From urban oases to rural retreats, these innovative designs redefine the way we think about modern living spaces. In the innovative realm of architecture and sustainable living, the year 2023 unveils a fascinating array of shipping container homes that redefine modern design. Captured through striking visuals, these homes showcase creativity and functionality merging seamlessly. From urban dwellings to countryside retreats, each container is transformed into a unique living space, blending minimalist aesthetics with eco-friendly principles. The pictures reveal a harmonious fusion of industrial charm and contemporary comfort as architects explore ingenious ways to maximize space within the confines of the sturdy steel containers. Rooftop gardens, large windows, and open concept layouts redefine the conventional notions of container living, bringing nature and light into every corner. The 2023 shipping container homes boast not only visual appeal, but also a commitment to sustainability. Many designs incorporate recycled materials, energy-efficient systems, and off-grid solutions, reflecting a conscientious effort towards a greener and more eco-friendly future. As we delve into the captivating images of these shipping container homes, it becomes clear that the design trends of 2023 are not just about repurposing containers, but about creating functional, aesthetically pleasing, and environmentally conscious living spaces that push the boundaries of architectural innovation.